Federal tax authorities are once again tightening the screws on contractors allegedly linked to suspicious flood control projects in Bulacan. As part of its widening crackdown on fraud and unpaid taxes, the Bureau of Internal Revenue has filed new complaints targeting construction firms accused of reporting projects that were never built. Our Rod Lagusa tells us more.
In line with this continued pursuit of those allegedly involved in anomalous flood control projects, the Bureau of Internal Revenue filed another tax evasion case before the Department of Justice. The BIR filed a tax evasion case against IM Construction Corporation and Sims Construction Trading for their alleged involvement in ghost flood control projects in Bulacan. According to BIR, the total tax deficiencies of the two companies amount to 13.8 million pesos, resulting from fictitious expenses, underreported income, and falsified VAT declarations. According to BIR Commissioner Charlito Martin Mendoza, this is part of the agency's pursuit of contractors involved in ghost projects and fraudulent tax practices.
Maliban po sa kanilang kriminal na kasong kakaharapin, ang criminal case naman po ay upang maipataw ang tamang parusa, imprisonment and fine, kinakailangan pa rin po nilang bayaran ang buwis na dapat na binayaran nila.
These individuals face charges for violating the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997, including tax evasion and willful failure to supply correct and accurate information. He said that based on BIR's investigation, Sims Construction with Sally Nicolas Santos as its proprietor has a tax liability of about 6.4 million pesos for the first and second quarters of 2025. This is related to the Ghost Reinforced River Wall project in Barangay Piel, Baliwag, Bulacan, from which the company received payment under the contract. The company filed a tax return and declared construction costs but did not actually implement the project. Meanwhile, IM Construction has a tax liability of 7.4 million pesos for the last quarter of 2024. The BIR investigation showed that the company was paid for the construction of a pumping station and floodgate in Barangay Santa Rosario, Hagone, Bulacan, but no structure was built. Like Sims Construction Trading, it declared construction costs despite having built nothing. According to the BIR, this was done to avoid paying the correct taxes.
Iniimbestigahan po natin ang lahat na posibleng involved dito sa mga flood control anomalies na ito, regardless of the personalities involved. Gusto lang po nating siguraduhin na pag nagsampa tayo ng kaso ay meron tayong maliwanag na ebidensya.
Mendoza stressed that they are expanding their audit to other contractors and individuals and will be filing more cases in the coming weeks. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.